Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download Proton VPN on Windows 11. If you're looking for a reliable VPN to protect your online activity, Proton VPN is a great option, and I'll guide you through the entire process. Before we start, if you're interested in trying a premium VPN with faster speeds, better reliability, and more advanced features, check out the link in the description for a great deal on NordVPN. First, open your browser. Type Proton VPN in the search bar and press Enter. From the results, click on the first link that says Proton VPN Fast, Private and Secure VPN Service to head directly to the Proton VPN page. You can either click on Get Proton VPN Now or Create Account or Sign In. Here, we will go with the Create Account option. Choose the free plan and create your account by entering your email and a secure password. If asked, verify your email to proceed. Once your account is set up, download the Proton VPN app for Windows from the website. Open the installer and follow the steps to complete the installation. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your Windows 11 device. The installation process is straightforward and it only takes a few minutes. When the installation is complete, open the Proton VPN app. Log in with the email and password you used to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Proton VPN interface. To connect to a VPN server, simply click the Quick Connect button. This will automatically connect you to the fastest available server in one of the free regions, such as the United States, Japan, or the Netherlands. Your IP address will change and your connection will be secured. If you want to switch servers, click on the Change Server option. From here, you can choose another server within the free plan regions. Keep in mind that switching servers has a short cooldown period of about a minute and a half. While Proton VPN's free plan is solid, the premium version offers more, including over 3,000 servers in 69 countries, support for streaming platforms, and NetShield to block ads and malware. But if you want an even better VPN experience, NordVPN is a great alternative. It's faster, more reliable, and packed with features like threat protection, double VPN, and a larger global server network. Check out the link in the description for a great deal on NordVPN.